In today's video, I'll teach you how to find out who blocked you on TikTok. So if you think someone has blocked you on TikTok and if you want to find it out, first of all launch open TikTok application. You can see over here TikTok has been opened. Initially you'll be to this kind of interface. So whenever someone blocks you, TikTok does not notify you. There's no direct way to find out if someone has blocked you. But what you can do is simply follow these steps in order to check for a block. First of all, what you can do is simply search for their profile. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply search for that particular profile. After you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. If you do not find their profile over here, that might mean that they have blocked you. It is a very strong indicator that you have been blocked. But sometimes you might be able to see their profile. If you see their profile, what you can do is simply try hitting the follow option. After you do that, if you're being able to follow them, that means you have not been blocked. But if the follow button does not work, that might indicate that you have been blocked by this particular person. Next thing what you can do is simply try checking for their profile content. Simply tap on their profile. After you do that, if you see the message no posts account not found, they likely blocked you. Next thing that you can do is simply try checking their follow or follower list. Simply tap on this option following that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, if you're not being able to see their following list, you might have been blocked. Likewise, if you're not being able to see the followers list, you might have been blocked, but sometimes their profile can be private too. Now after that, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now if you have any post, what you can do is simply try checking for their comment. If they had commented earlier and if they disappeared, they've likely blocked you. Also try checking your DMs. For that, tap on the inbox icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now after you do that, try opening their DM and sending them the message. If you're not being able to send them the message, it might be that they have blocked you. This is a very strong indicator. So that is how you find out who blocked you on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.